Just another quick video. I am the Caveman, and this is Caveman Creations. And what I'm going to do today is, I've got this board. It's got a lot of nail holes in it. It was a sideboard on a crate, so a bunch of knots in it. But there's a good section right here. So I'm going to cut this out, and I'm going to make a standing ghost for inside your house or out on the lawn, wherever you want to put it. So that's what we're going to do using this reclaimed lumber. It's going to be very simple. Got a nail hole right here. So I'm going to start just underneath the knot. I'm just using a coffee can lid, and I'm just going to make a circle. Just like that. That's where the top of it will be. And then I'm just going to come down off on the sides here. Just go out to the side. Same thing over here. Just like that. And then down here, we'll make where we want to make the line of the bottom. And we're going to add in 2 little feet. Just like that. So we'll make a cut here and a cut up top here, and then we'll cut the rest of it out on the bandsaw. Got it cut out. Let's put it on the bandsaw. Now they got it cut out. I'm going to just go and sand it. Ended up turning it into a pedestal one instead of the feet because I accidentally cut off the foot. So just had to readjust. This is going to look cool too. Oh, got it all sanded down. Ready for some paint. Using the 2X flat white. I said I don't have a lot of luck with the white. Have to put on multiple coats to get it to look right. But that's what we got. So that's what we're going to use. Well, that's one coat, and it's still got streaks in it. I don't know if it's showing up on the film or not, but there's it's going to need another coat. Put another coat on it, let that dry, flip it over, do the other side. I'm going to use the G25 airbrush with the deep black. All right, let's take a look at it. Perfect. Yep, looks pretty good. Bottom looks pretty good here. Flip the stand over the pedestal part, and I'm just going to mark it out, make an X, drill out the center hole. So I drilled out the hole, chamfered it, then put the screw in, and now I'm going to paint the whole back of this black, and then we'll just screw the base on after, and it should be done. In the next video, I'll show you how I make these. And there we go. Now, having cut off one of the legs, because I wanted to do it like this one over here, actually turned out better, because that looks pretty cool. You put that out on a porch at night, and it'll look like he's floating. Or she. But there you go. Another cool little scrap wood project. Until the next one.